Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Email Marketing 3.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of email marketing for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate email marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. Email Marketing Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is email all about. What is email marketing? How can email marketing help your business? Shocking email marketing facts to consider. Section 2. Email Marketing Step by Step. In videos 5 through 10, we'll talk about finding the right email marketing tool, the anatomy of a marketing email, creating a lead magnet, setting up your first email marketing campaign, setting up a squeeze page, sending traffic to your squeeze page. Section 3. Advanced Email Marketing Strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about setting up newsletters and autoresponders, setting up an email contest campaign, using segmentation to persuade hard-to-get leads, collecting high-quality contact data, crazy simple tricks to double your open rates, advanced email marketing tactics that work today. Section 4. Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of email marketing on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.